Alam nyo ba na si Iron Mike Tyson ay lubos ang paghanga at respeto kay Cuadro Alas General Casimero dahil $1,000,000 lang naman ang panalo nito sa pagpusta sa dihadong si Casimero. Dumayo si Iron Mike Tyson sa bansang China upang panoorin ang laban ni Casimero na siyang main event ng torneo at syempre sa dihado tumaya si Mike Tyson at yun ay si Casimero. Kaya naman sa bidyong ito, paano nanalo ng $1,000,000 si Mike Tyson kay Cuadro Alas General Casimero. Subscribe.
Well done. Impressive.
Isang napakalakas na liver shot ang brutal na tumapos sa kalaban ng napaka-underdog noon na si Casimero ang nagpatalon sa tuwa sa labis na paghanga ng isang legendary boxer sa mundo na si Iron Mike Tyson na sinamba pa si Casimero dahil sa bilyong-bilyong dolyar na panalo kaya nakabawi sa pagkabangkarote si Iron Mike Tyson dito. Sa pinakasikat na boksingero sa mundo ay si Iron Mike Tyson, ang tinaguriang the baddest man on the planet. Pinatumba, winasak ang matatangkad at halimaw na kalaban. May leeg at ulo na singkunat ng bakal na mas lalo pang hinasa at pinatibay ng pagsasanay. Ito ang patunay kung bakit naging malatangke ang leeg at pagmumuka ni Iron Mike Tyson. Pero may isang Pinoy din na bersyon ni Iron Mike Tyson. May napakakapal at kunat ng muka. Sinanay ang kanyang ulo at leeg para maging singtibay ng leeg ni Mike Tyson. Ang tinaguri ang pinakamaangas na boksingero ng Pilipinas ay pinatalon sa paghanga ang the baddest man on the planet na si Iron Mike Tyson. Araw ng Miyerkules, May 25 taong 2016 sa Diamond Court Arena, Beijing, China. Isa sa pinakamalaking boxing event ang magaganap sa bansang China. Isang world title fight ng IBF Flyweight Division. Ang maglalaban ang undefeated at kampiyon noon na si Amnat Ruing, isang Muay Thai fighter at napakagulang na boksingero ng bansang Thailand, kontra sa tinalo niya noon sa kanilang first fight na si Cuadro Alas General Casimero. Ayon sa odds at balibalita sa loob at labas ng arena, walang pag-asang manalo si Casimero sapagkat ng unang laban nila ni Amnat ay pinabagsak daw ni Amnat si Casimero ng 18 beses. Ganito ka-underdog si Casimero at umabot pa nga sa punto na pag tumaya ka ng 100 kay Casimero ay tatama ka ng 1,000. Isa si Iron Mike Tyson sa naimbitahan kasama si Roy Jones Jr. at napakarami pang bilyonaryo sa China at iba't ibang panig ng mundo. Siyempre si Casimero ang napiling tayaan ng $1,000,000,000 ni Iron Mike Tyson dito. Isang world title fight ang magaganap na laban kaya espesyal talaga ang mga imbitado para manood at tumaya sa laban. May record ang Thai na 17 panalo, 5 sa pamamagitan ng KO at walang talo, at 21 na panalo naman na may 3 talo mula sa ating pambato. Sa round number 1, kitang-kita si Iron Mike Tyson kasama si Roy Jones Jr. na nag-e-enjoy talaga sa panunood ng laban. Nagpakitang gilas naman agad ang ating kababayan at naging dominante sa round 1 pa lamang.
It was a clean overhand right over the opponent's jab.
So far in it for a while, and he's looking alright, boy. Kamara's he's landing the right hand. Oh, here comes the wrestling. Who you got winning so far?
Yeah, I'm not winning so far.
Tap on the apron right there. Good body shot.
Good body shot.
Yeah, and Roman didn't like that one, but I gotta give him the round, and that's round 1 in the books. Mike Tyson's on hand, by the way, fight fans.
Round number 2, pinag-uusapan ng mga commentators si Mike Tyson at si Roy Jones Jr. na nanunood sa laban. Kaya sa isip ni Casimero, kailangan talaga niyang magpakitang gilas upang talunin ang kalaban.
Ringside, how come Mike Tyson are ringside now?
Mike Tyson and Roy Jones are ringside because this is a part of the IBF annual convention. So these title fights here are a part of the IBF convention. They had Mike Tyson and Roy Jones there to enjoy the festivities and to But he also has wins over former champion Pedro Guevara of Mexico and Luis Lazarte, the title that he previously held over May 108, and he fought Roran, and of course he lost that first fight.
Well,
But he's doing real good here.
Yeah, absolutely. But I tell you what, and this
I'm not as getting a little.
reason he wants to stand toe to toe to frustrate his opponent. And that's round 2 in the book. I'm gonna give it to.
Sa round number 3, ganado na ang ating pambato. Gusto na niyang tapusin ang Thai na boksingero habang nakapokus na talaga si Mike Tyson sa panunood sa ating boksingero.
For a year now. Right now.
Yeah, not right.
He's controlling the center of the ring,
Oh, right.
showing his ring generalship.
He's trying to
There
count.
in the future, and then there's also
Well, yeah, you know about that kid right there. That's the danger, man. Everyone's looking at the vision.
Round number 4, dito natatapusin na Casimero ang kanyang kalaban. Pinakamapait na pagkatalo ni Amnat ang kanyang matitikman. Kaya napahanga talaga si Mike Tyson at Roy Jones Jr. sa kanyang mga galawan.
And that's what not wrong. What you don't mind that.
Isang napakalakas na suntok sa panga ang nagpabagsak kay Amnat na agad naman nagpatayo kay Mike Tyson sa sobrang excited sa panalo. Pero muling tumayo ang Thai na boksingero at gusto pa ring lumaban sa ating pambato.
to catch him. Here's the replay.
Oh, look at
Right,
that.
and a credit hook.
Counter left hook.
I'm not.
And he's got up. Surprisingly up and all foot up.
Sa kanyang pagtayo at muling paglaban, kalbaryo lang talaga ang sinapit niya sa ating kababayan.
Beat up. And he's going in for the kill.
Oh man.
I told him
He's going in hard right now. I'm not throwing hard back.
He's he caught another
Get him right
right.
up. Oh, big right hand.
And the fight has changed, and he's trying for the biggest and the big 10-8. And look, he's trying to time. And that run serious. I've never seen him hurt like that. I've seen him going down to a Millions Matt Williams Raw, but this one here, he looks really hurt. Really hurt. His legs.
I'm not. It's very hurt, but he's throwing back. He's throwing back with bad intention.
Yeah.
Nice overhand.
He's trying to trip him.
Clip.
And he's trying to trip him. He's trying to trip him with his leg. I saw that in that row, man.
Yeah.
He looks like
Trying to survive.
I tell you what, man, and he's after him. And the Filipinos trying to take out a year of frustration or after what happened in Thailand, and he's taking out net run round.
Good right to the body.
And he's definitely Cameron is not trying to be hold on.
Isang napakalakas na liver shot ang pinakawala ni Casimero, ang talaga namang nagpatayo kay Iron Mike Tyson sa kanyang trono. At dito natikman ng Thai ang kanyang pinakamapait na pagkatalo.
Casimero's landed flush on the chin. And
Look at
then
this.
finally, the left hook to the body.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, perfectly placed. Right to his liver. You see Casimero showing out after he drops him, showing that bad blood between them. And he's happy.
And look how he's smiling. Look how he's really upset, isn't it? He's dear now. Look at that.
Nagpakitang gilas talaga si Casimero sa harap ng isa sa pinakamahusay na boksingero sa mundo. Sobrang tuwa naman ang paghanga ni Mike Tyson dahil sa $1 bilyong na kanyang panalo. Pati si Roy Jones Jr. ay sinamba talaga si Casimero. Napahanga ito sa Pilipinong boksingero, kaya niya ito binisita sa isang boxing gym.
Kind of bear going down. I got my little man with me now. I'm gonna make a champ out of him again. Trust me. I'm the baddest. I know the most. I'm gonna make a champ out of this one.
Isang karangalan ito para sa isa pang alamat ng boxing sa mundo na inidolo talaga si Cuadro Alas, Janrel Casimero. At dito po muling nakamit ni Casimero ang pinapangarap na kampyonato at nakapagbigay pa siya ng karangalan para sa mga Pilipino. Pag may tiyaga, may nilaga, manalangin ka lang sa Diyos at kumilos para sigurado ang pagpapala sa iyo ay bubuhos. Amen.